Hello class 9 students. Hope all of you are keeping well. I am Shalini and I'll be teaching you geography. So this video is particularly based on your map skill practice. If you remember, map skill is not included in your first test of half yearly, but still I want you to practice it at home during this lockdown period. So without wasting time, let's begin.
This is the actual map you will be getting for your exams. Since class 6 to 8, you have studied about the continents separately. But in class 9, you have to work on the world map as a whole. You are already familiar with the continents. This is North America, South America, Africa, here is Europe, Asia, and Australia. On each of the continents, you will see these type of nerve-like structures. All these are the rivers. So here you don't have to worry about drawing lines to represent the river. Just only have to do is to identify this line and overdraw with the color blue and just write the name of the particular river.
I hope all of you know how to locate physical features on a map. Use color pencils for it. Now the problem is most of you are not going to get this kind of maps for practice at home. So here I have an assignment for you. What you have to do is, so you take any of your atlases, you will find all the physical maps for each of the continents. Now what you have to do is, suppose this is map of South America, physical map of South America, and you take a sheet of paper, place it over it, and with the help of pencil you try to trace it. And don't forget to trace the rivers too. Your map will come out in this way. Then you have to repeat it the same for each of the continents. Thereafter you have to locate all the physical features on all of your maps. What physical features? It is already mentioned in your PDF of map work. You can refer to your book in section B, map work. You can see all the important relief features are given here, like important oceans, seas, gulfs, straits, rivers, mountains, plateaus, all are mentioned in your book. And thereafter you can take help of page number 210 and 11. The maps are given here for important water bodies, here mountains and so on. So take help of it. So how this assignment will help you out, let's see.
Suppose your question is to locate Rocky Mountains. So after making this assignment, you will know that Rockies lie in North America. Which part of North America? The western margin of North America. So in this way, you have to make a thick line using brown color pencil and you have to write the name Rocky Mountain beside it. So now if we talk about River Indus, obviously it is in Asia. It rises from Himalayas and finally drains to the Arabian Sea. So River Indus is the line which is here. Now you have already identified the river. So you have to overdraw this line with the color blue and write the name here, Indus River. Now your next question is to find Gulf of Carpentaria. So suppose you have already practiced the map of Australia. You will find that the Gulf of Carpentaria is right here. You can make a dot or give an arrow and write the name here, Gulf of Carpentaria.
So by doing this assignment, you will be able to know which physical feature lies in which continent, which part of continent and many more. So with the help of this assignment, you will be able to recall whatever you have studied since class 6 to class 8, and this will help you out in the map work of class 9. Regarding your chapters, the PDF for chapter 1 is already given. Follow the instructions and study well and take care.